Got a big award here for Devin, okay? Just want you to know you're a big deal, okay? So Salesman of the Month there. But also, so we scoured the internet for everybody's most famous photos, okay? And so if you win, you'll see it. If you don't win, I still got a really good photo of all of you guys. You're fine. You're totally fine. I take no offense to anything you've said, and if you felt like it went too fast and you guys were distracted, totally understand, and we'll just get it all right when you're here. That way you're happy and comfortable. At the end of the day, a happy, comfortable customer is better than one that's confused. Andrew, how was your weekend, sir?
Pretty good. Went to Red Door on Saturday night. After that, went and saw the new Theo Bond movie. It was god awful. I don't fall asleep during movies. I fell asleep during that movie. It was terrible.
You were telling me about it, and I didn't want to tell you, like, that sounds like a really bad idea. Devin, how was your adventure?
It was good. Cody Johnson, good concert. Sold out. Shy loved it. She's been wanting to go see him for, God bless, 3 or 4 years now. So
highs and lows. That storm coming in, I was on my knees. I was like, man, this doesn't look good. But apparently weathermen, they don't know how to tell the weather anymore. But regardless, I'm thankful. I'm thankful for those locations.
One thing I want to reiterate what Bill said is that doesn't mean we start selling desperate. That doesn't mean we start selling scared. We continue to do the same process. You know, we do the customer interview. We take them out, we demo a couple of units. We bring them back in, we sit them down. We go through numbers. We go to the pencil. We come back, we present the pencil. We draw out an offer. We go get a TO. We do the same thing every time. It is mundane to us. I get it. We do the same thing every day. But to a customer, it's a new experience. And how you handle that will determine whether they buy from us, whether it's today or 3 weeks from now. We do our job the same every time.
I was going to do this last week, but we were out of town. So Salesman of the Month, I know we were talking about doing everything, so I'm just going to go through everybody's stats real quick, okay? So number one in volume last month was Grace. Number one in gross was Devin. Number one in warranty was also Devin. The number one in reviews was Andrew. How you do it? How you do this big board? How I'm doing it anyway. So obviously, it's like golf. Lowest score wins. Devin had the lowest score. He had 7 points total. Andrew came in second. Grace came in third. Cashman was last on that, or actually tied. So Grace and Justin tied on it. Okay. Got a big award here for Devin. Okay. Just want you to know you're a big deal. Okay. So Salesman of the Month there. But also, so we scoured the internet for everybody's most famous photos. Okay. And so if you win, you'll see it. If you don't win, I still got a really good photo of all of you guys, okay? So Devin will be up on the board down here tonight. So Salesman of the Month will be up on the board down there, guys. This is your guy right here, okay? My dude.
That's amazing.
And and I called Station 7 to get a gift card, and like, oh, he's got a reservation at 7, so don't worry. So Devin is Salesman of the Month for that guy.
I would like to add that I've seen the pictures, and none of you should be concerned about videos with some of the pictures that are out there.
Yes, facts.
How's your guys' month tracking?
Dude, I mean, so this is where it's, so we're tracking ahead of last year, which is a, grow, but we're tracking down from last month, but last month was an all-time high. So, TBD, I'm depressed is not the right word, because I'm not depressed. We're up 60% on the year, number one selling dealer in flipping Missouri. It's just, I want to do more. That's just my whole, you know what I mean?
Yeah, dude, let's go. I love it.
This is the hard part for our check-in. This is where we get all the customer concerns, where we verify what's going on, what they're bringing in. Once we bring them out to the unit, we're starting to close it down, this is now where we're the transfer of trust, right, of your unit. We'll go over your concerns over the appointment, just kind of take the cliff notes of things, and then then once you come in, you'll check in, and we'll get a little bit more
What is good
detail
for you?
oriented with the information for your concern, so we can reiterate that.
Gentlemen, what are we up to?
Playing IT, making this printer an impossible task.
He's just saying like on that guy's ride.
I was like, that's a weird Uber.
I know we need to drop it. I just dropped it. I just put it online just now for $44.9, and then that Tim dude just messaged me. I've been talking to him for 8 months, and he goes, "Would you think he'd take $25,000 for that?" I was like, I
But
don't.
we need the thing out of here.
What are you gonna? The
Yes. I mean, I'll call the guy once it's gone.
It's worth a shot, but we gotta make money too. So you gotta tell him 20.
What are we in for now?
34.5, retail's 50 something.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. But we'll see what I did at $44.9 and just dropped it. So I'll see what it does today, I guess. But if you want to call him, waste his time. He's not taking it. Oh, sorry.
Now, lo and behold, though, she really liked the adventure and said, send the link over to me and I'm gonna get it to Papa. Send the link over to me and I'm gonna get it to Papa. And if Papa likes it, she goes, I'll come back up here and we'll fill out some paper.
A lot of people, it's cheaper to actually get one and do it that way. We're seeing more and more people actually getting four seasons trailers and moving into them.
Edit around, they're all crazy, right?